Hey guys, welcome to the final episode of our Carnival Celebration cruise series. Today we're soaking up the sun on our last day aboard this fantastic ship. Get ready for some poolside fun at the Tides Pool, a wild ride on the Bolt roller coaster, and a delicious farewell dinner in the main dining room. But that's not all. We'll give you a peek into the debarkation process after enjoying a scrumptious breakfast at the Lido Marketplace Buffet. And hold on to your hats because we've got an exciting excursion lined up. We'll be picked up right from the cruise ship, embark on a tour of Miami, and then hop on a fan boat for a thrilling adventure through the Everglades. So join us for the grand finale of this cruise series because it's gonna be a blast. First up, Stephanie's on a mission. She's sneakily hiding our cruise ducks. This quirky tradition has become one of our all-time favorites. What do you think of the whole cruise duck tradition? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Cool! Found one. Found a little tiny one. Midway through our adventure, we stumbled upon Cherry on Top, the candy and gift shop aboard the Carnival Celebration. You know, we couldn't resist popping in to see all the sweet delights they offer. Alright, we are up here on the pool deck and man, it is hot. And I am gotten burnt up. This cruise never happens to me, but it did this one. Alex is hiding, he's got his t-shirt on still.
Yeah.
Me too. I don't want to take it off. But anyway, we're up here. I don't know how long it'll last, but we'll see how long we can make it. Alright, breakfast number 2. And the only reason is because we have an excursion tomorrow and we won't be able to catch that.
I know.
So Alex, this is his favorite. He has not had it this cruise. So he had to come and get it, even though he's full.
So good.
Is it? So what is that they dip it in?
So it was dipped in like maple syrup, and then there's like honey butter glaze for the biscuit.
Ah, okay. So they do that first.
Mm-hmm.
Butter it with honey butter and then add that on.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Looks delicious.
It is.
Next up, Alex and Stephanie are taking on the Bolt roller coaster. Located on deck 19 near the Ultimate Playground, this sea roller coaster boasts an 800-foot track with twists, turns, drops, and speeds up to 40 miles an hour. You get to control some of the action with the throttle located on the right handlebar or hitting the boost button on the left. It's an all-electric motorbike-like adventure, 187 feet above the sea. Although there's no minimum age, riders must be at least 4'4" or not taller than 6'5" and weighing under 300 pounds. Don't stress out about that scale though. It only gives a green light if you meet the weight requirements. For the thrill of 2 laps, it's $15. What do you think? Is this a fair price or should it be included with the cruise fare? What'd you think? Good?
I mean, it could have been a little bit better.
Yeah.
Some of the staying.
Yeah, how'd you like it?
It's alright.
Alright, we're on the track. Here. Let's go ahead and head back to our chairs. What, she didn't boost it?
Nah, she's a lame.
Lame.
Fast enough for me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Was it fun though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah. I'm glad you went on it this time. She chickened out on the Mardi Gras. She didn't do it, so. Yeah.
She's less of a baby.
That's like your third time riding it, ain't it?
Yeah.
Third? Yeah. Well, first on this ship, but you rode it twice on Mardi Gras. Yeah. Good, 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 good. All right, we're back under the cover shade right here in front of the Tides bar. Yeah, it's a little bit too hot. We
Yeah, I want to fry ours.
Wet, pouring sweat. Plus the floor is lava out there.
Yeah.
Right, Alex?
I think my whole bottom foot has no skin anymore.
No skin left. Yeah, I know. It's like burnt, pretty hot. Yeah. But anyway, we're gonna sit here and get some frozen drink.
Yeah.
Nice use that.
Pina colada with blue carousel.
All right. Yeah.
Ice cream.
Yeah. And my skills have been getting a little bit better.
Yeah, look at that. Nice. He said we'd all be pros by the end of the cruise.
Yeah.
For those that do it. I can't do it. You guys mind if I get it? Oh. Yeah. Looks delicious. Vanilla.
Yeah.
This time.
Very good.
We did order some drinks. Stephanie got a pina colada. What was that called? Pina colada with
Twilight Zone. Yeah.
Twilight Zone. A pina colada with blue curacao. And I ordered a virgin pina colada because it is too hot. Too hot to drink right now. I'm just sweating like crazy. All right, drinks are here.
Drinks are here.
Yeah, so that's the Twilight Zone.
Yeah.
Pina colada.
Blue carousel.
Blue carousel. I got her.
Yummy, yummy.
Virgin.
I have a cherry, but it's down here.
Oh yeah, yeah. I tell you what, if I get these like frozen blended drinks, I think they taste better without alcohol. They do. If I'm gonna break down and have a dessert drink, I like it without.
Right.
If I drink alcohol, then I drink alcohol.
That's true.
Usually straight.
Yeah.
Or cranberry vodka. No.
Yes.
Yep. But it's delicious. All right, we got a heart with a thank you today. Nice. Alrighty, back in the room.
Back in the room. We're gonna go get some lunch.
Yeah, we're gonna go get some lunch.
Get the guys pick an anchor.
Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna drop off all this poolside stuff. Just got done talking with the Morgan family too. Yeah. Yeah, we met them. Very nice. Very nice. Very supportive. Yeah. All right, lunchtime. Uh-oh. Nap time. Yeah. Right. Yep. Right, we got our food.
It's so delicious.
It is, it's good.
Pork and macaroni and cheese is where it's at.
I see, you got a big old, you told them extra.
Yeah.
An extra macaroni.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
What kind of sauce did you get?
The brown sugar one.
I got Carolina, which is what I usually get. I like that one. And then Alex went to go get some drinks way off in the corner, way over there.
Here it comes.
Yeah, here they come. Oh, there he is.
So I ordered a Ciroc and water because I was going to put my Mio in it, but first of all, it's not even Ciroc. I don't
No,
know
it's
what it's
a little brown.
Yeah.
And you can see that.
Yeah, look at the bottom. Let's see if I can see it.
Use this knife. Just doesn't have anything on it.
Let's see. Yeah, here you go. There you can see it. That'd be a fat triangle.
And then looking.
Yeah. Look that way. All right. Yeah. No. Yeah. So you're gonna go.
Ciroc and make sure there's no bugs.
Okay. Have fun.
I don't like doing that.
I know. Want some? You want some of them?
Yeah, my favorite.
Tasty. All right. That one's better, right? All fixed.
Yep, well,
Yeah. All right.
Ciroc don't get bugs.
Yeah. So that was Sazerac. Right. Is what he gave you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
which makes
And you wanted Ciroc.
Yeah, it makes sense because they have all those toppers on there.
Yep. Yeah, it happens.
Like Mom said, they probably don't go through it a lot. So.
Right. It happens. It's happened in my house.
Yep.
Alrighty. Well, at least now we're fixed.
Good to go. So, from this point forward, my microphone decided to take a little break. No biggie, we'll wrap things up with a touch of voiceover wizardry. First up, the notorious last day packing drill before we get ready for dinner. So dinner is in the Carnival restaurant as usual, and tonight, it's just the three of us as the rest of the gang has opted for different dining experiences. I decided to kick things up a notch with a cocktail, going for the Carnival Cosmo. So this is Carnival's spin on this classic concoction made with sky vodka, limoncello, and cranberry juice. It's the perfect cool sip after a scorching day in the sun. Now, onto the starters. Alex decided to leap into the unknown and try frog legs for the first time. Surprisingly, he gave them his approval. He also went for one of his classic favorites, fried shrimp. Meanwhile, Stephanie and I went for the steak and ale cheddar soup, a choice that left us both wanting a second bowl. For the mains, we all went with the country fried chicken. It was good, but not exactly breaking news. And for dessert, chocolate ice cream and baked Alaska, both of which were definitely delicious. But the real showstopper, that came after dinner when the serving staff started the napkin dance. And of course, we all joined in, twirling our napkins in the air. But then Alex and Stephanie turned the napkin twirling into an epic battle. After dinner, we headed straight to the Tropicale bar, where our favorite bartender, Tootie, works her magic. With a generous pour of Teeling Irish whiskey in hand, we sat near the bar, gearing up for an additional showing of the most magnificent circus show at center stage. Since most folks had already caught the show, we found ourselves with plenty of room to spare. A little later, Tootie called Alex over to the bar, wearing a big smile. She had concocted a special drink just for him, complete with his name written in chocolate inside the glass. Now, I just want to give a huge thank you to Tootie for making our trip that much more extraordinary, and here's to hoping that our paths cross again soon someday. So after a few hours of kicking back and enjoying the vibes, we were starting to feel a little bit tired, and yeah, you guessed it, a little hungry. So we thought, why not cap off the night with one last delicious slice of pizza? Well, good morning, everyone. As you've seen, we made it into Miami overnight. But before we bid farewell to the ship, Alex and I are heading to the Lido Marketplace Buffet for some delicious breakfast. Alex didn't really find anything that piqued his interest, but the minute he heard Shaq's Big Chicken was open, he knew exactly what he was having. And because the buffet is conveniently close to Big Chicken, it's a breeze to snag goodies from both spots. They do offer a couple other options here, so I opted for some blueberry yogurt. I've been hooked on this all week because it's so darn good. So after that delicious breakfast, it's time to head back to the room, grab our bags, and get ready for our next adventure. Alright guys, it's excursion time, and the meetup spot is the Carnivale restaurant. So the excursion we decided on is a $40 per person tour of Miami and fan boat ride in Everglades with a drop off at the Miami International Airport. These excursion options are nice when you have a later flight home, plus they hold your bags for you too. Hey guys, see you later. Big shout out to Carnival for nailing the debarkation process. They've got a fantastic team of crew members sprinkled along the way, ready to guide you to where you need to go. After snagging our luggage, it was time to find our tour bus. And you bet, the awesome staff was right there, ready to guide us and make sure everything was smooth sailing. So the Miami tour was basically the drive to the Everglades with a bit of commentary thrown in. Not the most mind-blowing, but hey, it's way better than twiddling our thumbs at the airport, right?
I'm sorry, folks. I'm afraid of alligators. I'll see you in a week and a half.
Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
So after the fan boat ride, there was an alligator handling show, an animal area to explore, and a gift shop. But let's be real here, the fan boat ride was the main attraction. And that's a wrap for our Carnival Celebration series. Thanks a bunch for coming along with us on this adventure and for all your fantastic support. Our next series is gearing up to cover the inaugural sailing of Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas, so keep your eyes peeled. And once again, a big thank you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Until then, take care and see you soon.